people, it's Travis and Amy here for Three Corners Farm, and it's been a little bit since we did our last vlog, so we wanted to share a quick update with everybody.
Well, in this last week we moved our cow panels from where our horse shelter was because we were keeping the pony nearby the dry area. But since it's dried out, we moved the panels out into the pasture. And these panels are pretty easy to move, and they have a simple little pin that you just pull it and it actually detaches the two pieces of the panel. And to get more information on that, if you go in their description, I'll link to the local distributor of the panels, and he actually delivers all over the Pacific Northwest, all the way down to Old Willamette Valley, so you can get his information from his website.
Yeah, and we like these panels because they're affordable. They're affordable and they're durable and they're very easy to use. So we use them for multi-purposes. But I'd like to say that we've been doing a whole bunch of gardening, but that hasn't been the case in the last couple of weeks. But we have been baking tons of homemade bread loaves, and people can go to our Facebook page and order what they would like and pay for it at our online store, and then we do deliveries, which we actually like doing the deliveries.
And then in the last week I've planted some mixed kale in our greenhouse so that it'll be ready at the same time the arugula is ready. That way we'll have a nice little salad mix to be selling and eat here. And then one of the projects I started working on is a raised bed. It's an 8-foot by 16-foot raised bed. And I'm doing something called core garden method for growing. And if you want to know more about that, we actually posted a video earlier. And in the description below you can get a link to the video to get more information about core garden method.
Yes, and then we have spent this entire week basically taking care of the animals. Our cat needed to see the vet because she seemed to have some kind of little virus. And then next up was our mini pony, and he had to get blood work done because he has Cushing's disease, and we needed to see where his levels are at because he's had a relapse over this winter. And then today we had the farrier out to trim the hooves, and our horse looks great. And our pony is a work in progress. And to be honest, for those of you who don't follow us regularly, he could really use some positive energy and vibes and prayers or whatever you've got for him, because we're doing our hardest to save this little rescue pony. All right, and I think that catches you up a little bit. Until next time, feel free to follow along, and we will see you soon.